Hello, my name is Haitian Gray. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be looking at some ghost boats. Yes, and look, if you see,
We are in Barnby Dun, mate.
yeah,
And that is the
look,
bridge you hardly ever see go up.
First time I've ever seen.
It's hard to see, mate, but it's only the second time in my life I've seen this bridge up.
It is like Halloween, isn't it? Wow. That's spooky. Oh no, is it Daisy?
This was my favourite one.
That's my favourite.
Your favourite too.
Oh, dance on it.
Oh look, the skeleton's in there. Mine's been alright.
She's dancing.
It's got a big expenditure.
That would be fun.